Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Battleship Kit is probably one of the most rewarding and engaging hobbies you can pick up, offering a unique blend of creativity, patience, and a fascinating dive into naval history. This detailed guide will walk you through each step, from carefully unpacking the pieces to proudly displaying your finished masterpiece, ensuring you have a smooth and enjoyable building experience, no matter your skill level. Number 5. Revell USS Arizona Battleship Model. This incredible model kit lets you build a detailed replica of the USS Arizona. It's a challenging and rewarding project for model enthusiasts. With its 1/426 scale, it captures the grandeur and detail of the original battleship. You'll be amazed by its accuracy. This model serves as a poignant reminder of the tragedy at Pearl Harbor. It's a respectful tribute to history. It's a complex build, perfect for experienced modelers. The final product is incredibly satisfying. Rated as a Level 4 kit, it presents a significant challenge, but the result is worth the effort. Prepare for a rewarding experience. As you assemble it, you'll learn more about this iconic ship and the events surrounding Pearl Harbor. It's an educational and engaging project. Once complete, it makes a stunning centerpiece for any collection. It's a conversation starter and a testament to your skill. What we like. This meticulously detailed model is perfect for history buffs and model enthusiasts. If you are looking for an accurate and historically significant model, this is the one for you. It's a must-have for those fascinated by the Pearl Harbor tragedy and naval history. What people say. The turrets of the guns actually turn. Although several of the pieces are quite small, the instructions are very clear. This is an excellent reproduction of the Arizona. The model has good overall detail and looks the business built straight out of the box. The model can be further enhanced with the addition of rigging and even aftermarket photo-etched detail parts. Number 4. Plastic Model Kit USS Iowa. Get ready to build your own mighty battleship. This detailed model kit lets you experience the thrill of naval history. It boasts incredible accuracy. Every gun turret, every deck detail is meticulously recreated for an authentic experience. This isn't your average model. It's a rewarding project that will test your skills and patience. It's made from durable plastic, ensuring a long-lasting and satisfying build. Enjoy the precision engineering. Bring a piece of naval history into your home. It's a stunning display piece once complete. It makes a great gift for model enthusiasts or history buffs. Give the gift of a challenging and rewarding build. What we like. This model offers a classic battleship design with a straightforward assembly process. If you're a beginner or looking for a quick and satisfying build, this kit is ideal. It's perfect for those who want to enjoy the building process without too much complexity. What people say. Very detailed. Easy to put together. Lots of detail but easy to assemble. Number 3. Piececool Kongou Warship 3D Metal Puzzle. This intricate metal puzzle is perfect for adults and teens aged 16 and up. It's a challenging build that will take patience and time, but the result is incredibly rewarding. Expect to spend at least 8 hours assembling this model. But the sense of accomplishment and stress relief after completing it is amazing. Once complete, it's a beautiful and unique piece for your home. It makes a great gift for any occasion. This is a great project to do with family. It's a fun and engaging activity that promotes planning and building skills. It's made of high-quality stainless steel, and all parts are easily clipped together. Detailed instructions are included to guide you through the process. While not required, clippers and needle nose pliers are recommended for easier assembly. These will help with bending and twisting the connecting tabs. What we like. This metal model kit provides a unique and challenging building experience. If you enjoy intricate projects and want a stunning piece for display, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate a rewarding challenge and a beautiful finished product. What people say. The quality of the laser-cut steel is impressive. Very detailed. And looks nice when finished. Had a fun time finishing the model. It took me about 2 days to finish the whole thing and was easy to build with the right tools. Number 2. Airfix Bismarck 1:600. Unleash your inner shipwright with this detailed model of the Bismarck, a powerful battleship. It's a challenging build, perfect for experienced modelers. This model is one of many in Airfix's impressive range of naval ships. Explore decades of military history, from World War II to modern vessels. This kit is rated skill level 3, ideal for those with some model building experience. It features 170 parts for a truly immersive build. Inside you'll find everything you need to create this magnificent model, including the 1:600 scale model, sprues, and decals. Note that paint and glue are not included. Since 1952, Airfix has been a leader in model kits. It's a brand you can trust for quality and a wide selection of models to suit all skill levels. Order your Airfix Bismarck model kit now and embark on an exciting journey of model building. Bring a piece of history to life. What we like. This model offers a great balance between detail and buildability. If you have some experience building models and want a classic World War II battleship, this is the perfect choice. It's a great option for those who want a challenging yet manageable project. What people say. It's an old kit, but has a lot of potential, if you have patience. The sprues were relatively cleanly cut compared to other competitor models. It had good details on the hull. The 2 Airfix models I got, Hood and Bismarck, were in excellent condition. Number 1. Tamiya 1700 Yamato Battleship Kit. Get ready to build history. This detailed kit lets you construct one of the most iconic battleships ever made. It's incredibly detailed for its size. You'll be amazed by the accuracy and the level of craftsmanship involved. This is not a simple project, it's a rewarding challenge for modelers aged 14 and up. Prepare for a fulfilling experience. It captures the majesty of the original Japanese battleship. Every detail is meticulously recreated. Everything you need is in the box. Just add your time, patience, and passion for model building. This kit is imported directly from Japan, ensuring authenticity and quality. You're getting the best. What we like. This model offers an iconic Japanese battleship in a manageable scale. If you are looking for a detailed model of a famous ship, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who appreciate the history and design of the Yamato. What people say. The plastic was high quality and fit nicely, and it also gives you spares for many of the AA guns and the secondaries and highly detailed. The model parts are in great condition with nothing being broken. The model, even though be a 1/700 scale, has a lot of details even for being a smaller model scale. Tamiya has modeled one of the finest renditions of Yamato in a small scale. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.